Okay, I've mixed a white cake mix as directed, and then we're gonna add some crushed Oreos, and we've just chopped that up in our Power Chef. Okay, we've sprayed the nonstick cooking spray in all 3 sections, and then we're just gonna evenly portion that out and fill each one. And this is gonna make a 3-layer cake. And we're gonna stack the layers and cook them all at once. We're gonna cook it for 8 minutes in the microwave. And so you see there, we've got all 3 layers, and we're just gonna stack all 3 together and cook that for 8 minutes in the microwave. Okay, this has been in the microwave for 8 minutes, and I'll show you we have all 3 layers. So here we have a 3-layer cake, and we're gonna let those cool, and then we'll put them out onto a plate, make our frosting, and that way we can put frosting in between the layers and finish up our cake.